If you're planning a bathroom remodel and searching for a freestanding bathtub that actually feels high-end, not just looks good, this is for you. Today, we're breaking down EpiStone freestanding bathtubs by Ruvati, what makes them different, and whether they're worth it for your home. EpiStone is a premium stone-resin composite material made from about 70% crushed natural stone and minerals blended with high-performance resins. What does that mean for you? It means you get the solid, luxurious feel of stone, without the downsides of traditional stone tubs. You'll notice better heat retention, so your bath stays warmer longer. Natural sound dampening. No hollow or echoing noise. A non-porous surface that's easy to clean, and long-term durability that holds up to daily use. This puts EpiStone in a completely different category than standard acrylic tubs. EpiStone tubs aren't just designed to look good in photos, they're designed for real comfort. Most models feature a double-ended oval shape so you can relax from either side, a soft satin matte finish that feels smooth and warm, clean lines that work in modern, transitional, and even minimalist bathrooms. They're available in classic matte white and bold matte black, depending on the look you're going for. One of the biggest concerns with freestanding tubs is installation, but this is where EpiStone does a great job. These tubs don't need to sit against a wall, come with matching drain components, include adjustable leveling feet, and ship with clear installation instructions. While a professional plumber is recommended, the setup itself is very straightforward compared to many luxury tubs. Here are a few common questions. Let's answer a few questions we hear all the time. Is EpiStone better than acrylic? Yes, especially if you care about heat retention, durability, and a solid feel. Acrylic is lighter and cheaper, but EpiStone performs better long-term. Is it hard to maintain? Not at all. Soap and water are usually enough. No special cleaners required. How long do these tubs last? They're built to last decades and are backed by a limited lifetime warranty. If you're investing in a freestanding bathtub and want something that combines design, comfort, and long-term value, EpiStone is absolutely worth considering. You can explore available Ruvati EpiStone freestanding bathtubs at rtakb.com, where we focus on quality, clarity, and products that actually make sense for real homes. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.